Hi, I'm Frank, and in this video I'll be talking about harassment and victimisation. The Equality Act 2010 provides protection from certain types of discrimination, harassment or victimisation. There are 9 protected characteristics set out in the Act, and there are separate films in the series which look at each different form of discrimination. Looking in more detail at harassment, there are 3 different types of harassment. These are first, harassment relating to a protected characteristic, secondly, sexual harassment, or thirdly, treating somebody badly because they either accept or reject sexual harassment. Not all protected characteristics are directly covered by the harassment provisions. The protected characteristics are age, disability, gender reassignment, race, religion or belief, and sex or sexual orientation. Marriage and civil partnership, or pregnancy and maternity, are not directly covered by the harassment provisions, although unwanted behaviour towards a pregnant person would likely amount to harassment relating to sex. Someone harasses you if they behave in an unwelcome or uninvited way, which is related to one of the protected characteristics, and which has the purpose or effect of violating your dignity or creating an intimidating, hostile, degrading, humiliating or offensive environment for you. But it is not necessary for you to tell the person harassing you that the behaviour is unwanted. For example, a man with Down syndrome is visiting a pub with friends. The bar staff make jokes and offensive comments about him, and these upset and offend him, but he doesn't say anything to them at the time. This would still amount to harassment on the basis of a disability. Sexual harassment happens when you, as a person with a protected characteristic, are subjected to unwanted behaviour which is of a sexual nature, and this can cover verbal, non-verbal or physical conduct. So this would include sexual advances, inappropriate touching, forms of sexual assault, sexual jokes, displaying pornographic photographs or drawings, or sending emails or texts with material of a sexual nature. For example, an employer makes sexual jokes to one of his female staff and comments upon her figure. Depending on the circumstances, her employer's behaviour could amount to sexual harassment. The Equality Act also provides protection from victimisation. This means treating somebody badly because they have made or are involved in a complaint of discrimination. So for example, a tutor shouts at a student because he thinks that she intends to support another student's sexual harassment claim. This could amount to victimisation. It is important that there's a link between what the student did and the tutor's treatment of them. If the tutor shouted at her for another reason, then that behaviour might not be victimisation. If you would like more information, the Commission provides detailed advice about the Equality Act on its website, or you can call the Equality Advisory and Support Service if you feel you may have been discriminated against. Thank you for watching.